Hey guys, what's going on? It's Bradley with Palette Collective. Today we are going to be doing a pour over on a Chemex. I'm going to show you everything we're going to need and then we're going to dive right in. First you're going to need a Chemex. You're going to need a paper filter specifically for Chemex, and then you can use whatever good quality beans you have. Right now we are using a Maverick Tanzania. You can go to maverickcoffee.com. And then you're gonna need a scale and a kettle with some good quality water. So I have the kettle going. It is boiling the water. You want it just below boiling. About 210, 211 degrees is what we're looking for. I already ground out my beans, so I did 35 grams of beans. I did the grind size about coarse. You don't want it too fine, you don't want it too coarse. I'm gonna set my Chemex on my scale. The filter has 4 sides on it, if you can see there. It has 4 little flaps. You want 3 on one side and then 1 on the other. And then I do the 3 sides on the spout of the Chemex. And then I'm just gonna rinse out this filter really quick with some of this hot water. The paper filter can have a tendency to have a little papery taste, and we don't really want that in our coffee, so we're gonna rinse it out real quick. Okay, make sure you dump that water out. You don't want that water in your coffee. You just want to dump it in. You don't want it to get on the sides at all, so just go for it. Make sure it's all in the center. Like I said, 35 grams is what we're shooting for. And then for my scale, I'm gonna tare it so it's at 0. We're going to start with doing a bloom stage. The bloom stage is where we replace the gases, the CO2 inside the coffee, with water. So we're going to do 50 grams of water, and then we're gonna wait up to 30 seconds. And then after that, we're gonna go up to 350 grams of water and then wait about 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go to 500. So we're gonna finish at 500 grams of water. So when you are pouring the water in here, you wanna do circles and gradually go outward. So you wanna start at the middle and slowly make circles all the way out, and then you wanna kind of reverse and go back in. So we're gonna start, make sure my scale is at 0, and I'm gonna add 50 grams of water. My timer was not. So if you can see in there, that's the gases coming out, and that's being replaced with water inside those coffee beans. It's been about 30 seconds. We're gonna go up to 350 now. So make sure you keep your eye on your scale and you're watching the grams. Going outwards, doing circles, going in, and then slowly doing it again until you hit 350. And then we're gonna wait 10 seconds, and then we're just gonna go all the way to 500 grams of water. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to 500. Sweet, we're all finished. So I'm gonna wait for it to start dripping at the very bottom. Once it starts dripping and the water level is basically all the water is down at the bottom, you can take it and dump it in the trash and it'll be all set. Don't forget a spoon. You want to just do a quick forward, backwards. That's all. That's all you got to do. So once you see it dripping at the bottom and all the water is gone on the top, you want to just take the paper filter, grab the cup that you're going to pour, and we're all set. Hope you try it out. Let us know what you do. Let us know if you have any questions, and enjoy.